Hello, my dear listener. Today, I want to share a special story with you. It's the story of a boy named Rafi. He was not rich. He had no comfort. But he had one thing, a strong will. He worked hard every single day. He had a dream in his heart, and he never gave up. This story will show you the power of hard work. Rafi was a poor boy who lived in a small village. His house was made of mud, and he had no electricity. Every night he studied under a streetlight. His life was hard, but his dreams were strong. Rafi's father was a farmer. He worked all day in the field. His hands were rough. His clothes were always dirty. But his heart was pure. Rafi wanted to change his life. He wanted to help his family. He had a dream. He wanted to become a teacher. Every morning, Rafi woke up early. He helped his father on the farm. He carried water. He fed the animals. He worked hard even when tired. After work, he went to school. He walked 5 kilometers every day. Sometimes it rained. Sometimes the sun was too hot. But Rafi never missed a day. He sat in the front row. He listened carefully. He asked questions. He always did his homework. His teachers liked him. They often said, "Rafi, you are a bright boy." He never missed a single class. At night, Rafi studied again. He used an old book. He used a candle when the light was gone. His eyes became red. But he never gave up. He knew success had no shortcut. His hands were tired, but his mind was strong.
Years passed. Rafi finished school. He got a scholarship. He went to the city. He studied at a big college. Everything was new to him. He missed his home and family. Life was not easy. He had no money. He worked at a tea shop. He studied during breaks. He slept very little. Sometimes he ate only 1 meal a day. But he never complained. He said, "This pain is part of my journey." He knew life was testing him. But Rafi never stopped. He believed in hard work. He believed in his dream. He said to himself, "One more step, just one more." Even in pain, he kept moving forward. He counted every little progress as a win. He never let failure stop him. One day, he passed the exam. He became a teacher. He cried. His father cried too. It was a happy day. They hugged each other tightly. His mother lit a lamp and prayed. His home was filled with joy and light. Even the neighbors came to congratulate them. Rafi went back to his village. The children ran to him. They shouted, "Sir, sir!" Rafi smiled with joy. He saw his younger self in them. He promised to guide them. He knew every child had a hidden spark. He started a small school. He taught poor children. He gave them books. He gave them hope. He taught them to work hard. He said, "Don't be afraid to dream big." He helped students believe in themselves. He made learning fun and exciting. The children waited every day for his class. He said, I was like you. I had no money, but I had a dream. I worked hard, and now I am here." The children clapped for him. Some had tears in their eyes.
The children listened. Their eyes were full of light. They wanted to be like Rafi. They started coming to school early. They began to love learning. Rafi's story spread. People from other villages came. They wanted to see the boy who worked hard. Many parents thanked him. Some even brought gifts to show their respect. Even the local leaders praised his work. They asked him to speak at events. Children from far away wanted to join his school. Many said, "We want to learn from Rafi Sir." His school became a place of hope. A reporter came too. She asked, "What is your secret?" Rafi said, "There is no secret, only hard work. Work hard every day. Never stop." She smiled and nodded. She said, "The world needs more people like you." She took pictures of the school and the smiling students. She said, "This story will inspire many." The reporter wrote his story. It was shared everywhere. People called him a hero. He appeared in newspapers and magazines, but fame never changed him. He still lived in his simple home. He still walked to school every morning. He still wore the same old shoes. He still ate with the children during lunch. But Rafi stayed humble. He still woke up early. He still helped his father. He still taught with love. He believed love was the best lesson. He treated every child like his own. He remembered every struggle he had faced. He used his past to guide their future. He said, "Success is not money. Success is changing lives. Success is helping others. And hard work is the key." He taught this to every student. He lived by his own words. He wrote these words on the school wall so that every child would see them every day. Now, many years later, Rafi's school is big. Hundreds of children study there. They learn to read. They learn to write. They learn to dream. And most of all, they learn to work hard. They say, "Sir Rafi changed our lives." He became a legend in the village. People told his story to inspire others. His name became a symbol of hope. Every child knew his name. Every parent spoke of his journey. His name was written on the school gate. Visitors came to take photos near his classroom. Rafi sits under a tree. He watches the children play. He smiles. He is proud. His dream came true. Because he never gave up. Because he worked hard. And that made all the difference. He remembered the days when he had nothing. Now he had everything that truly mattered. His story reminds us all, hard work can change everything. And anyone can rise if they never stop trying. Rafi's life became a light for others. And that light will never fade. The tree he sat under was planted by his students. They said, "This tree is for you, sir." They also placed a bench with his name on it. It became a place where students sat and read books. Rafi looked at it and said, "This is my real reward." His heart was full, but his words were simple. He said, "This is why I never give up."